Now let me give you a numerical on this. Find the temperature at which a cylinder having LPG bursts when heated as it is having LPG at 2 atm pressure at 300 Kelvin. Now what is given is cylinder can withstand pressure of 16 atm. So the cylinder maximum can tolerate pressure of 16 atm. We are having LPG at 2 atm at 300 Kelvin. So your P1 is 2 atm, your T1 is 300 Kelvin, your P2 you have to is your 16 atm, it's given, and T2 you are supposed to find out. So it's P1 T1 over P2 T2. So it is 2 upon 300, 16 upon T2. So your T2 is 16 into 300 upon 28. So it's 2400 Kelvin. And the moment the temperature reaches to 2400 Kelvin or it goes beyond that, the cylinder will burst, and below this it will remain intact.